My friends, there are moments in history that change everything. Moments when nations must choose between submission and freedom. Moments that decide whether people will remain silent or rise to claim their destiny. For Africa, for Burkina Faso, that moment has arrived. The United States has launched an unprovoked military strike on Burkina Faso. This was not just a missile, not just an act of aggression. It was a message meant to intimidate, to silence, to break the spirit of a nation that dared to stand tall. But Washington did not expect what happened next. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the young leader of Burkina Faso, stood before his people and before the world. His words carried fire. We will not kneel. We will not surrender. We will fight for our land, for our people, and for our freedom. With these words, he turned tragedy into a spark that set Africa on fire. This was not just an attack on Burkina Faso. It was an attack on Africa's dignity. And Africa has answered. From Nigeria to Mali, from Niger to Ghana, voices are rising. Enough. No more slavery. Crowds are marching. Flags are waving. Young men and women are chanting Traoré's name. He is no longer just a leader. He is a symbol of freedom. For centuries, Africa suffered under colonialism. Its resources stolen. Its government's control. Its people silence. But today, the cycle is breaking. The strike on Burkina Faso did not weaken Africa. It united Africa. It reminded every African child. Freedom is not given by the West. Freedom is taken by the brave. Ibrahim Traoré is young, but his voice echoes like the revolutionaries of the past. He stands where Thomas Sankara once stood, calling for an Africa, free, united, and strong. Now the people say, Burkina Faso is not alone. Africa is not divided. The chains are breaking. This is not just resistance. This is a revolution. The birth of a new Africa. The United States thought a strike would silence a nation. Instead, it awakened the continent. And the message to the world is clear. Africa will rise. Africa will fight. And Africa will never again be broken.